Welcome to Sue Q's world. My love of travel started with my passion for penguins. Find out where that has led me as I share experiences of extraordinary destinations, sustainable travel and concepts, wildlife and our environment, whilst recounting the stories and ambitions of people we've met along the way. Welcome to the 7th and the last video in my Sustainable Tourism at Four Seasons Maldives series. This one's called Landaa Happy Eggs. So this last video is a fun topic, but still has purpose. Four Seasons has a really rounded approach, not just to the environment, but they have a commitment to people as well. And they're really well known for their emphasis that they put on staff welfare. So this is just a short insight into the staff area, or one of the staff areas at Landaa Giraavaru. And these are the chickens. Oh. So why do you have the chickens here?
It was sort of a pet project with it. We thought about it during the COVID times when the resort was not operational, when everybody was locked down. We left nothing to do, and I think GM and everybody came up with this. Okay, why can't we start something like this? So we built it, and we brought in some of the local adult chickens.
Right.
And we started with 11, and then people started bringing eggs from overseas that are fertile eggs.
Right.
And we used an incubator for 21 days, and the chicks started coming out, and now you see a mixed breed from all over the world mating each other, and we don't know which one is which.
So you don't know which are the local and which are the European ones?
The newcomers, it would definitely be sort of mixed breed, I suppose. Yeah. This is, I know definitely this is a Swiss rooster.
Right.
Yeah.
Of course, your GM is from Switzerland, isn't he?
He's from Switzerland.
Yeah.
And you see some of the Russian chickens there as well.
Right.
And locals still there. The small ones are usually locals.
Yeah, thank you. So not just an international team of staff, an international set of chickens as well.
Exactly.
And they must produce a reasonable amount of eggs, I guess. What do you do with the eggs?
So we have a dish in our Blue restaurant for breakfast. They call it Landaa Happy Eggs.
Oh, the Landaa Happy Eggs.
Yeah,
I've had that.
It comes in from here.
Oh, super.
Yeah.
Oh, that's super. Yeah, I guess not quite enough yet to feed everybody guest-wise, but...
Not in that particular fashion, because we don't want to stress the chickens out by giving, a lot of extra food or...
No.
Not. We always give them the natural food that's available from the island.
Yeah.
Don't give any additional medicines or anything that gives boosting amount of eggs. We let them hatch. I will let them hatch based on their natural cycle, right?
Yeah. Yeah. No, absolutely. That's a good idea. So it's more of just a fun project, really.
Right.
Cool. They're gorgeous.
When you did the garden tour with Harun, I think you must have seen the ducks and quails as well. Have you seen it?
Yeah, there were ducks and the quails, and there were a lot of chickens running around there. I think there were some young ones. They're from here as well, are they?
Yes. So some of the young ones they first take care of in the garden, more of a free range style.
Yeah.
And then when they become adults, they bring in.
They come in here. Yeah, no, that was quite fun. The quails were very cute, actually. Really sweet. Nice. And the ducks were lovely. But yeah, it was good. Faisal mentioned the gardens, which you can have a tour around. Definitely worth doing, as I've said before. And they grow many of the herbs that are used in the restaurant, as well as experimenting with papayas, which are becoming successful, and also bananas, which you can see here. Their orchid gardens absolutely not to be missed, and the orchids are absolutely beautiful. And this year there were additions of the duck pond and the quails too. It's absolutely amazing what you can grow on sand, well, with a lot of persistence, trial and error, I think. So this is the last episode in this series. A really big thank you to Faisal Ibrahim for taking the time to share all of the many programmes at Four Seasons Landaa Giraavaru that are making them absolutely one of the most sustainable resorts I've ever experienced. Often so hidden, but absolutely worth shouting about. Finally, a big thank you to anyone that has watched these videos. I really hope that you've benefited from them.